my video on clipping the flights of a racing pigeon. I received a lot of feedback and I thank you for all of that. I also realized that there are a number of areas of uncertainty, and today I wish to clear and identify those areas. So the clipping of the flights of a racing pigeon is only necessitated by the fact that the season starts a month or two too early. But that is a given, so if you're not clipping, some of your pigeons will not be ready. Now, the first area of uncertainty is when to decide should you clip or should you not clip and leave it naturally to molt. So my opinion is a pigeon like this, if you count from the outside, it has still 5 pens to go, primaries, and you can see the sixth one is basically half grown. So typically 5 pens to go, I would suggest that you do cut or clip the 9th and the 10th flights. So I do not think you should do both. You can do the 9th and then you wait 2 weeks and then you can pull it. And if it's grown halfway or further, you can do the same to the number 10 pen. So the second area of uncertainty is on the flight, how low or how high should you clip? Now, if I clip a pen, I'm going to show you now. Let's take the 10th, 2 centimeters from above, and I just clip it there. There you are. Now, the reason I do that is twofold. It's inconsequential where on the flight you do clip, because you only want it to dry it out, and high is as good as low because it's going to dry out. The major factor of the benefit of clipping it high like that is when you have to pull it after 2 weeks, you've got very nice control over the flight. You can take it and pull it in a straight line, a swift movement and a straight line out. And then the possibility of damage is that much limited. So up there is good to clip. I hope this do clear up some of the vague and ambiguous areas. And just a last thing, on the where the low on the flights, there's small little cover feathers. Now, if you clip the flight too low down, you're going to damage those little feathers, and they are vitally important for a pigeon in the racing season, and they take forever to regrow again. So keep that in mind and enjoy your racing season.